ToD Metering, shifting gears for smarter electricity billing. Gone are the days of a one-size-fits-all approach to electricity pricing. Enter time of day, ToD Metering, a game changer that transforms how we pay for and use this essential resource. Think of it like a dynamic movie ticket during blockbuster rush hours. You pay a premium, but less popular showtimes offer discounted rates. ToD Metering works similarly, tailoring electricity costs to the demand throughout the day. Peak, off-peak, and sweet spots. ToD divides the day into different time slots. Peak hours, this is prime time electricity use, typically mornings and evenings when everyone's appliances are humming. Expect higher rates during these periods. Off-peak hours, think late nights and early mornings, when the grid has ample breathing room. Electricity here is significantly cheaper. Solar hours, countries with abundant sunshine might designate daytime slots when solar power generation peaks. These hours often come with the lowest tariffs, encouraging consumers to shift usage towards the sun's generosity. Benefits for all. The beauty of ToD lies in its win-win potential. Consumers, by shifting energy-intensive tasks to off-peak hours, you can slash your electricity bills. Think laundry at midnight, dishwashing before dinner, or charging your car while you sleep. Grid managers, ToD flattens the demand curve, reducing pressure on peak hours and minimizing the need for expensive emergency power generation. This translates to reliable and efficient electricity supply. Environment, lower peak demand means less reliance on fossil fuels, leading to reduced carbon emissions and a cleaner planet. Technology at the core. ToD metering wouldn't be possible without smart meters. These digital marvels track your electricity use in real time and communicate it back to the utility. This data powers the dynamic pricing and allows you to monitor your consumption habits, empowering informed energy choices. Challenges and the road ahead. While promising, ToD isn't without its hurdles. Public awareness, equitable tariff designs, and data privacy concerns need to be addressed. However, with careful planning and implementation, ToD holds immense potential to revolutionize our relationship with electricity, promoting cost-effectiveness, sustainability, and a smarter, more resilient grid. So, buckle up for the ToD shift. It's time to ditch the flat fare and embrace dynamic electricity pricing for a brighter, more efficient future. Call to action. Want to learn more about ToD metering in your area? Reach out to your local electricity provider or explore online resources. And remember, small shifts in your energy habits can make a big difference. Start exploring ways to utilize off-peak hours and join the movement towards a smarter, cleaner electricity future.